The first word we have here is lugod, and lugod means to scrub or rub yourself, right? Not in a dirty way, but to scrub away like the dirt from your skin. You're cleaning yourself with a pumice rock, right? So lugod can also mean the lugod. It's the pumice rock, where you just rub and scrub away on your skin. You're cleaning yourself, and it takes away the dirt. It also means like to rub your eyes, scrub your skin. You're cleaning yourself, lugod, and lugod can also mean the pumice rock to rub. Um, it also it's just the verb to just rub your skin, right? Just to rub or scrub away, like cleaning. Kusi is to pinch, like you're pinching something with your fingers. Um, you're pinching someone. You're pinching something off. Tutok is to stare at someone. Tutok, and lapad is a flat surface, just any flat surface that you can put things on, just flat surface, whether it's on geographical terms or not. Lusot means to pass through something. Maybe you're putting a needle through a thread, or a thread through a needle, something like that, right? You're just passing through. Maybe a mouse was passing through a hole, something like that. Piit is like very narrow. Sigpit is the same word, similar, right? Very narrow, expressing narrow. Agas is just something leaking out, like something that's flowing from an opening, whether it's air, whether it's liquids. Agas, it's just leaking out. Comedor is a dining room. Ayuda is tabang. Borador is eraser, or something that you can erase, to borar, right? Borador, to erase. Batunaw is yellow. And this one's interesting. Katahap, right? Katahap is duda. Tahap meaning like, oh, you have your doubts. Duda. Tahap, I'm not sure. I'm doubting this, right? Tahap. Oro is bulawan. Bulawan. Oro. And finally, bahada, meaning to go downhill, or to go to a lower place, right? Bahada, lower, going down.